what's up? Wale here from Geek.ng. I've got Xiaomi Mi A1 here. It's been in the market for a couple of months and it's an Android One phone, if you know what that means. But if you don't, an Android One phone is basically a budget or mid-range phone running pure Android OS managed by Google. An Android One phone's hardware could be from Xiaomi, HTC, Infinix, or whatever, but the hardware is optimized to run Google's pure Android OS. If you like Xiaomi devices but you don't really like MIUI, this is probably what you've been looking for. Well, in this video, I'm just unboxing the phone and giving my first impressions. It's in no way a full review. On the box here, you can see what to expect. A dual 12-megapixel camera setup with one telephoto lens, pure Android OS with upgrades for at least 2 years. It comes with Snapdragon 625 processor, the same processor on the last Xiaomi phone I reviewed, and that's Xiaomi Mi Max 2. And it's got a 5.5-inch display, 4GB of RAM with 32GB of storage. The phone feels light, and that's because it weighs only 165 grams. It also feels thin. Xiaomi Mi A1 looks very much like the iPhone 7 Plus. The form factor, unibody design and everything. The phone has an aluminium build, it looks really good and it doesn't feel cheap at all. Checking other items in the box, we have a SIM ejector tool, documentation, a charger, and a USB Type-C cable, and a screen protector film. At the back here is the dual 12-megapixel camera and fingerprint sensor. On the right side, you have the volume rocker, power button. The top has an infrared blaster and noise-canceling microphone. On the left side is the SIM slot. It takes 2 nano SIM cards or a nano SIM and a micro SD card. The bottom has a audio jack, USB Type-C port, and speaker. At the front is a single 5-megapixel camera. Building up the phone, it runs pure Android OS without the usual customizations you see on MIUI, and in a lot of ways, that's a good thing. And yes, there's a software update waiting already. It comes with Android Nougat, but it's upgradable to Android Oreo. You should expect timely software updates for at least 2 years since it's an Android One phone. This looks pretty much like a phone I'm keeping and I like the design. I'm excited to use stock Android again. This isn't a full review, that should go live in about a week. Right now you can get the 32GB version at 8% discount for $209 and a 64GB version at 20% discount for $229 on GearBest. You can take advantage of this deal by following the links in the description. If you like this video, please hit the subscribe button and I'll catch you in the next one. Stay safe.